Today's carry is the Cold Steel Ultimate Hunter, a knife which, in my opinion, does not get nearly the love or respect it deserves. In fact, you almost never hear of anybody carrying it. It's a great knife. It's kind of, sort of, a little bit like the 8010, but it's thinner behind the edge, good, better slicer. And I just put a fresh edge on it. The CTS XHP takes such a nice sharp edge. This thing is just, man, sticky sharp. The G10 handles are contoured, and it is a 3.5-inch blade with about a 4-inch inner grip. Very comfortable in the hand. It carries better than the 8010 because it's not so big and bulky. And just a great knife. And of course, the CTS XHP takes a nice sharp edge. Very good knife. I love this knife. This is one of Cold Steel's best designs, in my humble opinion. But that's all I got for you for today. So until the next one, we'll see you.